Minister URIMI na Ndethia mithika LINTURI ruari ne thiritenera kirekeria Mboleo ngi ya arimi bo Majani nterese MOMBASA akare LINTURI wete na wiriro thirikari kairithi URIMI kinya nkulukiro nguro minister we aruwete kulukiro URIMI akenya bakaumo kombone bo acibe kuria kyo baingi ni bete na mbere na URIMI bo. Minister URIMI na Ndethia mithika LINTURI na rekerete tani 45 cha fertilizer irikanenganirwo kiradi mbo Majani kiumia twetete
wapelekea wakulima tani 45,000 45,000 metric tons of fertilizer to our farmers is what we are flagging off today. That translates to over 900,000 bags that we want our farmers to use to apply to their tea. And this is as a result of the commitment that the government has made to continually support our farmers. And I want to thank the Kenya Tea Development Agency, KTDA, for really being there and making sure that whenever our tea farmers require fertilizer, then fertilizer is available. That the fertilizer that we are flagging off here today, by Monday or this weekend, this fertilizer will be in our tea buying centers. So those that have registered themselves for fertilizer, please don't waste time.
Akiaria nterese MOMBASA wete thirikari ni ritanirite kirwa ya fertilizer kenda ukire URIMI na kuineka ngarama ya uturo. Fertilizer kendo na moria manini ya shilingi 5,000.
Since we have made it clear a number of times, and because we want to increase productivity, we want to increase production, so that we can really be able to enjoy more yield. And government having stepped in to subsidize the cost of fertilizer. The fertilizer that the farmers are buying now is at 2,500. My continuous plea is for our farmers to double the application of fertilizer in their farms, because there is correlation, or there is direct proportionate relationship between the amount of fertilizer applied and the amount of yield.
Nkuluki awete mwaka yo yete thirikari kanenganira fertilizer nkuluki kiraremi kenda ukirio URIMI.
In the year 2024, long and short range, the government's projections or commitment is to avail to the tune of 7 million bags to our Kenyan farmers, because we want this fertilizer available to our farmers, because we must be able to give back and appreciate the goodwill that we have seen from our farmers, and I must also thank our farmers profusely for coming out to support the government's cost towards reducing cost of living. And the cost of living can only be achieved through our people getting back to the farm.
Mirika anongelete ate bakawatana na thirikari cia matora kuona chuguni kuoneka chiweka fertilizer kenda arimi baira fertilizer ya gwinabo.
We've also working a mechanism with our county governments to ensure the last mile delivery is achieved through our collaboration between the collaboration between the national government and the county governments, where we have told the county governors to look or get warehouses where we will be able to take the fertilizer, and then they will be able to get the warehouses, and my ministry will be able to provide the technical experts with the gadgets and the software required for the dispensation of fertilizer through the e-voucher system.